Hey you guys, welcome back. Check it out. The hands have a face. And tonight what I want to talk about is, here on this channel, when we're making shakes, we have a lot of fun with our shakes, and that's important because really what we're helping people, what we're teaching people is a lifestyle change. And I don't know about you, but when Herbalife found me and I started my health journey 23 plus years ago, I was really into sweets. I had terrible eating habits. I wasn't really interested in healthy things, and that's probably why I was in the condition that I was in. However, as I started to have these shakes, first of all, they are freaking delicious. But I've been drinking at least two shakes every single day since February of 1998. Now, when you go back and you add that up, that's a whole lot of shakes, especially when you think about the days that I go to the gym or that I, do other things or I'm out running. I will have extra shakes many days a week. So it's important to have fun with your shakes, and that's one of the things that I really wanted to bring to our channel, that Maurice and I both wanted to bring to our channel, was a way to have a really good time with your shakes and let this be a lifestyle that you can actually enjoy and have a ton of fun with. But if you're using the Herbalife products because you're interested in losing weight, then knowing how have fun with your shakes and also how to be really clean with your shakes is important. So personally, I consume the fun shakes maybe 2 or 3 times a month. Definitely not even once a week, but I love my shakes clean and simple. And you guys, when we first got started, I lost 65 pounds in just 7 months doing shakes like I'm making right now. This is my evening shake. It's my second shake of the day. I basically have my main table food meal with the family when we have our dinner together as my lunch, and then this is my second shake of the day. But now the shakes are definitely a key piece of our weight loss plans, but it's not the only thing. The shakes are definitely a foundation to our plans, but listen, when you add the Formula 2 and the Formula 3, that makes up what we call cellular nutrition. And we have some videos in the description for this video to find videos on cellular nutrition and really understand what that does. But one of the things I got really clear about 20-something years ago was that, all these different foods and all the things that we're eating and the table foods, our bellies are really full, but our bodies are starving. And that's where a lot of, dysfunctions and of course weight gain and mood disorders and just all kinds of things come from, not having the proper nutrients in your body every day. Also, you'll find a link in the description for this video of exactly how to make an incredible shaker cup shake like I just did. That's not what I'm here to talk about, but the shakes are like this nutrient dense, low calorie. This is less than 200 calories. It's got all the nutrition that I need. It would actually take 1,500 calories worth of table food to get the same nutritional content that's in this one shake. So it's really nutrient dense, and it's totally going to help support your body in not only having a healthy, active lifestyle, but definitely in being able to lose weight also. The shakes come in 13 different flavors, I think, right now. I don't know, they keep adding them and I lose track. So we have 13 or so different flavors of the Formula 1 shake. We have 3 different flavors of the protein drink mix. All I have in here is water, shake, and PDM. I'm really enjoying my mint chocolate chip at night. It's just clean and fresh and crisp, and it's so light and good, and it's great for my evening times. And I like to call this fast food for smart people, because you saw how fast that got made, right? And literally in the mornings when I come in and I do this, I can have my breakfast made, consumed, the dishes washed, and put back away within 2 minutes. 3 minutes if I'm not even trying. So for really fast results, if that's what you're here for, have your shakes like this, or use in a blender to make it thick and creamy and a little more decadent, like a milkshake. But have your shakes with just the shake PDM water and maybe some ice more often than you put in the cookie crumbs and the syrups and all that stuff, even if it's unsweetened or sugar-free, because listen, all that stuff adds up, and this is the way to go if you want to lose weight on a really good pace and just get to the goal. I know when Maurice and I first got started, we took this very seriously. We didn't fudge around. We just had our shakes 2 times a day, every day. We had clean, healthy meals. And like I said, 65 pounds in 7 months. I went from an exploding size 18 that I almost couldn't fit into anymore, back to the size 4s I hadn't seen since high school, and I've kept that off for over 23 years now. Cheers.